What's going on, everyone? What I have here is Treblab X5 true wireless earbuds, so let's check it out. Let's take a look inside the box to see what's included with the Treblab X5 true wireless earbuds. So inside the box, right here we have the warranty booklet. You get the user manual. And the two additional ear fin. That's pretty cool. And we have here is the 3 set of silicone ear tip, small, medium, and large. And you get the 2 additional foam ear tip. This is the small and this is the large. I guess the medium is pre-installed on the earbuds. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else here. And we have the micro USB charging cable. The charging case is a flat design, very compact, fit in your pocket nicely, not too bulky. The finish is a matte finish. On top of the lid, the Treblab name brand, and on the bottom you have the Treblab logo. And the case is made out of hard plastic. In front of the case you have the left and right earbuds LED light charging indicator, and on the right you have the LED light charging indicator for the charging case, and in the middle is the micro USB charging port. When you open up the lid, inside the lid you have the right earbuds indicator and the left earbuds indicator. So this is a little bit different because the right earbuds on the left and the left earbuds on the right. So make sure you put in the correct side so you're able to close up the case. If not, then you're not going to be able to close the charging case. The Treblab X5 are built with Bluetooth 4.2. It's not as good as the Bluetooth 5.0, but the 3 months that I have this earbuds, I get only probably like 2 drop out, so it's not that bad. The driver are high-end Beryllium driver, so you will get crystal clear sound. And the ear fin design will keep the earbuds in your ear while you're running, jogging, active at the gym, play a basketball game. It will stay in your ear and will not drop out. It is Ipx4 Water-Resistant and Sweat-Proof. You get the advanced Passive Noise Cancellation with the foam ear tip to block out all the noises and sound around you. You get up to 6 hours playtime with the earbuds with 4 additional charge with the charging case, a total of 30 hours of playtime. That's pretty good. To control the earbuds, each earbuds have 2 push buttons for you to turn on the earbuds, play music, pause music, answer call, connect call. On the left earbuds, you press and hold the top button to power on the earbuds. Press and hold the top button to play, pause the music. Press once to go back to the previous track, and press the bottom button to skip the track. On the right earbuds, you press and hold the top button to power on the earbuds, to pause and play. You press it once to volume up, and on the bottom button you press it once to volume down. Press and hold to activate voice assistant, and to end call, to hang up call, deny call, press once on the bottom button. Once you're done using your earbuds, make sure that you place the right earbuds onto the left side of the charging case and the left earbuds on the right side of the charging case. And make sure you tuck the ear fin into the case so you could close up the lid like that. See, that one's up, so the lid won't close. So make sure you tuck it in like that to close up the case. Once you place the earbuds inside the charging case, it was automatic disconnect. When you decide you want to use the earbuds, just open up the lid, remove the earbuds, but it won't auto connect. You actually have to power on the earbuds manually for it, then it will pair automatically. Now let's talk about the sound quality of the X5. The sound quality of the X5 to me is awesome. The bass is punchy. The sound is crystal clear and loud. Mid and high are bright. All the frequencies are balanced out very well. There's some people complain about the X5 that the bass is not punchy and it's not loud. I think it might be the way how they fit the earbuds to the ear. They don't get a really tight seal. That's why they don't experience the deep bass and the high sound of the earbuds. And the voice call, it's very decent. It's not great, but it's good. It's good enough. With the passive noise cancellation, it does block out a lot of noise and sound surround you with no distortion. For $70, I would recommend this earbuds. With all, you get the extra ear fin and the extra ear tips. You get like 3 extra silicone ear tip and the additional ear foam tip. That's pretty awesome there for $70 with great sound quality. Alright everyone, you have any comment, any questions for the Treblab X5? Drop in the comment section below. I have included a 10% off coupon code in the video description. If you guys want to get one, to help the channel out, subscribe to the channels, turn on your notification bell for more videos update, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.